Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 18th of July. The euro is continuing to subside against the US dollar as we saw the single currency touch a 1 month low at 135.11. The pair has further support levels at the 134.77 and 133.99. Investors are looking ahead to the EU current account balance coming out this morning. The US dollar rebounded against the Japanese yen from 101.09, which is a strong support. The pair, which is currently at 101.32, still remains buoyant as markets anticipate a better than expected US consumer sentiment to come out later on this afternoon. Looking at equities, Asian equities were mixed yesterday, with the China 50 rising to 6709, the Japan 225 falling to 15192, the India 50 is stable at 7615, and the Hong Kong index rebounding from 23080 to 23301. Looking at commodities, natural gas prices tumbled to $3.94 per MMBTU after the higher than expected natural gas storage, which implies an excess supply. We have now seen gas subside from $6 in March at the peak of the Ukraine crisis by almost half. And our mover and shaker today is gold. Gold rose to $1,324.22 per ounce from $1,299 yesterday afternoon as risk aversion hit the markets after the news that a Malaysian civilian aircraft was downed over Ukraine. The precious metal has since subsided to $1,313. Option traders may consider constructing a back spread strategy with calls on the gold dollar and gain if the pair moves higher, while the risk is limited to the premium paid. A back spread strategy with calls can be constructed by selling an at-the-money call while buying an out-of-the-money call at double the amount. And watch out at 9 GMT in Europe, we have the current account expected at 24 billion. At 13:30 GMT in Canada, we have the core CPI month-on-month expected at minus 0.1%. And at 14:55 GMT in the US, we have the preliminary UOM consumer sentiment expected at 83.5. Thank you for tuning in to our daily outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Amanda from the easy-forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.